The U.S. Air Force has completed the first successful test of its new stand-in attack weapon. The primary goal of the test was to confirm the missile's safe separation from the aircraft. The CA aims to enhance the Air Force's strike capabilities against relocatable targets such as cruise missile launchers, anti-ship missile platforms and electronic warfare systems. The British Army has conducted its first live firing of the Archer 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzer in real combat conditions at Exercise Dynamic Front 2024. Equipped with a 155mm L-52 howitzer, the system is compatible with a wide variety of ammunition, including high-explosive, guided shells and extended-range projectiles offering superior versatility. The German company Helsing has unveiled the HX-2 artificial intelligence strike drone to be delivered to the Ukrainian Defense Forces. The HX-2 drone with an X-wings and tail fin is designed to destroy armored vehicles, artillery, and other military targets including buildings and has a range of up to 100 kilometers. The Ministry of Commerce of China announced that China will ban the export of materials that could have military applications, including gallium, germanium, antimony and superhard materials to the United States.